Welcome to the 8th GRF International Awards and Honors taken place on September 3 to 2023. This prestigious event is brought to you in collaboration with the University of Trunojoy, Madura, Indonesia, and the University of Nigeria, Surabaya, Indonesia, IDEHI, Indonesia, and Cow Media Private Limited, Delhi. We are also pleased to have Novel Science Press, Savdesh as our associating partner. These awards are highly accepted and have gained worldwide popularity, recognizing outstanding achievements and contributions across various fields. This event has been a magnificent journey, and it wouldn't have been possible without the dedication, hard work, and support of so many individuals and organizations. As we move forward, let us continue to be inspired by the achievements of our awardees and work together to make a long-lasting impact on the world. Dr. Amit Sharma, nominated for the National Award for Educational Excellence, Medical Education and Healthcare 2023. He is a professor and head of the Department of Forensic Medicine, GIMS. Congratulations, sir. This is your award certificate. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Dr. A.R. Shravana Kumar, nominated for the Award for Excellence and Innovation in Education 2023. He is the Associate Professor, Department of Education, CTOE, Algappa University, Karaikudim. He is having 18 years of experience. Congratulations, sir. This is your award certificate. Dr. Anangotu Srivasa Rao, nominated for Award for Contribution to the Research and Development in Academic 2023. He is a lecturer in Chemistry Government Degree College, Tuni, affiliated to Adi Kavi Nanya University, Andhra Pradesh. He is having 13 years of experience in organic chemistry. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Mr. Tirupati Naik Bukaya, nominated for Research Innovation and Excellence Award 2023. He is the Research Scholar, Department of Psychology, Osmania University, Hyderabad, Telangana. He is having 6 years of experience. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Dr. A.B. K. Thomas, nominated for Academic Excellence Award, Wireless Communication, Electronics and Communication Engineering 2023. He is the Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. He is having 30 years of experience and he is working with Alliance University, Bangalore. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Dr. Prasanta H.S., nominated for Award for Distinguished Professor in Higher Education 2023. He is a Professor, KS Institute of Technology, Bangalore, Karnataka. He is having 23 years of experience. Congratulations, sir, for getting this prestigious award. This is your award. Professor Madhu Lakshmi Sharma. She has been nominated for Academic Excellence Award Botany. She is the Professor and Head of the Department of Botany, Government KRG-PG Autonomous College, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. She is having 42 years of experience in academics. Congratulations, ma'am. This is your award. Mr. Sonatan Ghosh, nominated for Award for Contribution to the Research and Development in Academic 2023. He is the Director of English Center and English Word International. He is having 25 years of experience teaching English in a simple way. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Dr. Vemulari Shalja, nominated for Research Excellence Award Zoology 2023. She is the Assistant Professor of Zoology, Vikrama Simhapuri University College, Nellore. She is having 10 years of experience. Congratulations, ma'am. This is your award. Dr. Ravindra Sudham Bhagat, nominated for Research Excellence Award Geography 2023. He is Assistant Professor in Department of Geography. He is having 11 years of experience in geomorphology. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Dr. S. Dharamraj, nominated for Academic Excellence Award Economics. He is an Assistant Professor of Economics. He is having 15 years of experience. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Dr. D.V.N.S. Murthy, nominated for Distinguished Academician Award 2023. He is a principal in BBCIT. He is having 25 plus years of experience. His specialization is statistics quantitative analysis. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Mrs. Sanangavarappu Sunita, nominated for Most Influential Faculty of the Year Award 2023. She is the associate professor in Department of Computer Science. She is having 19 years of experience in artificial intelligence and programming. Congratulations, ma'am. This is your award. Dr. Gauri Soman, nominated for National Award for Dedicated and Outstanding Teacher and Educator in Higher Education in Science and Botany. She is a heading and associate professor, Department of Botany, Maharishi Dayanand College, Mumbai. She is having 31 years of experience in medicinal botany. Congratulations, ma'am. This is your award. Miss Deeptimai Jina, nominated for Research Excellence Award Pharmacy 2023. She is an assistant professor, Department of Pharmacy. She is having 1.7 years of experience in pharmacology. Congratulations, ma'am. This is your award. Professor Dr. M. Devendra, nominated for National Award for Educational Excellence in Hotel and Tourism Management 2023. He is a principal in Bangalore Amrita College of Arts and Science. He is having 25 years of experience. Congratulations, sir, for getting the award. This is your award. Dr. Hari Prabhu Dhakal, PhD. He is nominated for Award for Academic Leadership 2023. He is a collection manager in Consumer Banking Group. He is having 15 years of experience. Congratulations, sir, for the award. This is the award. Dr. Bharti Makhijani, nominated for Award for Contribution in Education and Research, Commerce and Management 2023. He is an assistant professor in S.K. Somya College, Vidya Vihar University, Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is having 22 years of experience. Congratulations, ma'am, for your award. Dr. Gauri Kalnoor, nominated for Research Excellence and Contribution to the Research and Development in Academics Award CSC 2023. He is an assistant professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, BTU BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore. He is having 11 years of experience. Congratulations, ma'am, for your award. Dr. S. Pariselvam, nominated for Award for Academic and Professional Excellence Fellowship 2023. He is a professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. He is having 20 plus years of experience. Congratulations, sir, for your award. Dr. A. Vijayaraj, nominated for Best Researcher Award, Computer Science and Engineering 2023. He is an associate professor, grade 2 in Department of Information Technology, Chennai. Congratulations, sir, for your award. This is your award. Chanda Kumari, nominated for Educational Excellence Award Hindi 2023. She is an assistant professor guest faculty in Department of Hindi, Allen College, Bhaganpur. She is having 6+ years experience. Congratulations, ma'am, for your award. Dr. Geeta Kumari, nominated for Educational Excellence Award Hindi 2023. She is an assistant professor, Department of Hindi in RN College, Hajipur. She is having 2+ years of experience. Congratulations, ma'am, for your award. Dr. Gaurav Joshi, nominated for Research Excellence Award. He is working with Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, Delhi. Congratulations, sir, for your award. Dr. Nalini Shukla, nominated for Award for Excellence and Innovation in Higher Education. She is an associate professor in Department of Mathematics, Janta College, Etawah. Congratulations, ma'am, for your award. This is your award. Dr. G. Venkata Koti Reddy, nominated for National Award for Research Excellence 2023. He is an associate professor and HOD in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. He is having 12 years of experience in CS and engineering. Congratulations, sir. This is your award. Dr. Anil Kumar KM, nominated for Young Scientist Award 2023. He is an assistant professor in Department of Environmental Science, Faculty of Life Sciences. He is having 5 years of experience. Congratulations, sir, for your award. Congratulations to all the awardees. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much.